Marshal Navy has been prescribed. We got a letter from the Ministry of Defense, from the Director for the Presidency, and to the Interpol has directed us nationwide. Marshal Navy is prescribed, so they are a legal entity. We've been asked now to arrest them wherever they are. Marshal Navy, you know the way they dress, they are already general, so just like a regular Navy that we have. The first CID has been able to locate where they are, where they are currently training, under area hotel. This is the letter from the first headquarters, to Inspector General of Police, dated 18 November 2019, November 2019, and I read illegal activities of Nigerian Merchant Navy. The Nigerian Merchant Navy was proscribed via federal government Gazette, official Gazette number 58, promulgated on 13 August 2019. The Gazette declared activities of the group criminal and empowered members of the armed forces of Nigeria and the Nigerian police to arrest persons posing as members of such organization. However, it was discovered that the group has continued its unlawful activities as a security outfit. In view of the security implication vis-a-vis emerging security challenges facing the country, I am directed to respectfully request the Nigerian Police Force to collaborate with the armed forces of Nigeria to arrest and prosecute any person or persons found promoting activities of the organization. Not only those parading themselves, those call it promoting the activities. Please accept the assurances and esteem the guards of the Chief of Defence Staff. That letter of Chief of Defence Staff now to Interpol. So by that, and Interpol too has endorsed it to us, to the DIGs, to the AIGs, to the Commissioner of Police, titled the illegal activities of Nigerian Merchant Navy. So you make reference. I forward there with copy of letter number this Defense Headquarters 2021 Ops, dated 18 November 2019, received from the Defense Headquarters, Abuja, on the above mentioned subject, and respectfully convey the directive of Inspector General of Police that you disseminate for necessary action, please. So it was signed when the PSO was ACP Duhu, Soma Huma, Principal Staff Officer. I want to welcome you to another press briefing taking place at the Command Headquarters today. So the press briefing is to intimate you with the current arrest made by the command in efforts curtailing activities of the Merchant Navy or similar outfits whenever they are or wherever they are operating in Lagos. So, the Lagos State Command raided the legal training camp of the Merchant Navy located in Ogudu, Sanville area, Lagos State, and arrested the commanding officer, one Sunday Dakari. So, male, age 47, together with 107 suspects currently on training, military training there. So I wish to further inform you that there has been incredible actionable intelligence on the illegal activities of the Merchant Navy, following which the command embarked on intensive surveillance on the camp and its activities therein. Consequent upon intensive monitoring of the camp and its operators, the command carried out a well-coordinated, professional, and overt operation at the training camp at the earlier hours of today. During the raid, which was coordinated by the Operation Department of the command, the following items were recovered: 7 military accoutrements, including camouflage, badges of rank, flag, signboard, ID cards. Other items recovered include recruitment letters, promotion letters, portraits of the commanding officer, 2 motorcycles, 1 plasma TV, 3 cutlasses, criminal charms, and other items. In the course of interrogation, we discovered that the Nigerian Merchant Navy, also called Coastal Defense Force, has been operating illegally since 2005. The called Nigerian Merchant Navy has since been outlawed by the federal government. Hence, it is illegal for anyone to operate such a military outfit, giving military training to unsuspecting young Nigerians, and the trend portrays a lot of danger to the nation, especially because of what we are facing now security-wise. So it therefore behoves on us as law enforcement agency to enforce such law banning activities of illegal military outfits. They were banned by official gazette, federal government official gazette number 58, promulgated on 13th of August 2019. That is the law, the gazette of federal government that banned this outfit. So since then now, despite this, they still continue. And because of the security implication, please service, imagine security challenges facing the country now. We can't fold their arms and allow illegal outfit now to be. So catching it on, people now are committing atrocities. So I just want to use this video to warn other individuals or groups still operating such illegal outfit in any part of the state to close it forthwith. Anyone nursing the plan to operate such outlaw security outfits is advised in his own interest to rescind the decision or face the full role of the law, because the police will not hesitate to clamp down on them, and the operators are bringing them to book to face what the law says to face. While they are here now, you go and see everything that they show up there. Once they are out, you've seen their uniform, with the military camouflage out. Who will see these people outside now will not give them military recognition. And what they do is that they will recruit them, so they collect as much as 20,000 naira for registration from them. And they now post them to various commercial centers as beats, doing security outfits. And those people don't know that they say that are giving them security personnel to work, whereas they are illegal people. The federal government has promulgated the gazette and outlawed them. And we have been monitoring them. And that's why where they went now is near the water. So instantly now, they just jump to the water now to escape. But we've often said, if a bird learns how to perch without, or how to fly without perching, want how to learn how to chew without missing. So we connected out activities now, and we got them. They are going to face the law. The real coordinator, the leader of the team, is on the run. We've been monitoring for the past 2 months, monitoring their intelligence reports on the run. But we want to warn members of the public. And we need to solicit for our assistance, the information. Once you see people in military uniform, any military formation beside you or nearest to you now, please confirm the identity. If you cannot meet any police formation around you, get to that police formation, that person in military camouflage or military uniform that you suspect. Even the police uniform that you suspect. Even the police uniform that you suspect. So get to the nearest police station now, confirm or report. They cannot link up with our military counterparts to know the authenticity, the genuineness of that. You are looking for a job, create time to find out the source, create time to find out the genuineness of that outfit before you jump into it. So they cannot claim to be ignorant of it. Claim, if you want, if any company comes out, there are so many government agencies where you can get a genuineness of the system of that agency. So if they have gone to that one now, definitely they won't fall into this camp. So no excuse to them to say, I don't know, that is illegal. They are training them in the military way. They give them military uniform, military training now. So then what happens that they cannot be used for other clandestine missions. But that's exactly what they are. And that's why the federal government banned them. We are just carrying out the federal government directive. So it's the general police directive that we should put teeth to that gazette. So which ban the activity. You have recruitment letter here. You have promotion letter. Meaning that they are operating as a full-fledged military outfit. And this is Merchant Navy. Another team, Coastal Defense Force, Nigerian Navy. So Nigerian Merchant Navy. So you see this one now, promotion letter again. You see the badges of rank. Badges of rank. Who they give to themselves there. See the military camouflage. They have. So who wear this one? You know, it's a military personnel on Navy. You've seen it. Impersonation. Impersonation. I know that Navy has blue uniform. These are the blue uniform for Nigerian Navy, which they are showing. But what is more funny to it is you are training and you are training with this. I wonder, throughout my own training in the police, I never know where we train with all these weapons in the police. And I know that the military too don't use this to train. For them to have all this one as means of training, definitely they have other missions. Yeah. All the charms, whether they are training with charms. Nigerian military, to the best of our knowledge, don't train with charms. Neither Nigerian police will train with charms. So which means that there are some other clandestine missions which they have. And see the military boots I have here. So there's no way you see people like this now, dressed in the military form, and the belt, everything, the military one, and will not see them to be military personnel. So we need to work seriously. We need to be careful. We need to monitor what happens in our surroundings. We only just the dress, the style of the military, combat dress. I know this is the general. So when you see people of this nature outside on the field, please, if their actions are suspicious, let us know. Let any military formation know. Let any Nigerian police formation know, so that we can investigate them. We can differentiate those that are genuine and those that have so interest of the nation at heart. From what you have now, I'm not trying to jump into conclusion, but they don't have the interest of the nation at heart. They have clandestine with all these items that you have here. So thank you very much. They have their day in court when we finish all preliminaries. I don't know, it's commander of the barracks. You have barracks there. You have barracks there. So we see with certificate of occupancy, that land, where you have a barracks, and the approved building plan for the barracks to assist. Approved building plan for the barracks to assist.
No, if you ask your boy that go there, there's nothing like block on that page.
Shanties.
We just only small shanties where we relax. We have no block, we have no anything there.
No,
what's your name?
My name is Sunday Dakari.
So how long have you been operating around that premises?
We have been there over 10 years.
Doing what?
Doing recruiting ourselves, waiting for federal government, not like civil defense. We agitate for federal government, which they approve it, first and second reading. Even the third reading is on, which they knew, the police knew. They knew, which we are waiting for. My recruitment, the form is free. We don't take any dime for anybody. If you come, we can recruit you. The sole purpose of recruitment, the criteria that Coastal Defense Force, we stand on regional water side. We work inside. When the Army work in land, we work water. Air Force work in air. Then the police with Army work on land. Listen to me, media, you have to correct one thing here. This country is going down. Let media fix this country very well. We are there for primary assignment. We are not thief. Police never want to arrest us. We go free as normal human beings.